Hello everyone. RPF Constable 2025 Third Shift Analysis March 12. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? 1857 के विद्रोह के द्वारा भारत का गवर्नर जनरल कौन था? The answer for this question is Lord Canning. Lord Canning was the Governor General of India 1856 to 1862, became the first Viceroy of India in 1858 when the power was transferred from the East India Company to the British Crown after the revolt of 1857. वेयर इज अ जबरो डांस परफॉर्म्ड? जबरो नृत्य कहाँ किया जाता है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज लद्दाख. द जबरो डांस इज a traditional dance of the nomadic Tibetan origin people of living in the Ladakh region of Jammu and Kashmir. It is performed during the festive occasions and celebrations. What does Article 21st A of the Indian Constitution guarantee? भारतीय संविधान का अनुच्छेद 21 A क्या गारंटी देता है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज राइट टू एजुकेशन, शिक्षा का अधिकार. Article 21st A of the Indian Constitution guarantees free and compulsory education children aged 6 to 14 years. It was added by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002 and came into effect on April 1, 2010. On which river was a Pong Dam built? Pong Dam किस नदी पर बना है? The answer for this question is Bias River, Bias नदी. The Pong Dam, also known as the Maharana Pratap Sagar, is a build of the Bias River in the Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, India. It is primarily used for the irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, and wildlife conservation. Which amendment added to the fundamental duties to the Indian Constitution? भारतीय संविधान में मौलिक कर्तव्य किस संशोधन द्वारा जोड़े गए थे? The answer for this question is 42nd Amendment. The 42nd Amendment of the 1976 added to the 10 fundamental duties to the Indian Constitution under the Article 51A, Part 4. Later 86th Amendment of Act 2002 increased the number of fundamental duties to 11. Which two countries participate in the Mitra Shakti exercise? मित्र शक्ति अभ्यास से किन दो देशों की भागीदार होती है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज इंडिया एंड श्रीलंका. भारत और श्रीलंका के बीच में मित्र शक्ति से मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज होता है. पंडित शिवकुमार शर्मा इज एसोसिएटेड विथ विच म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट? पंडित शिवकुमार शर्मा किस संगीत वाद्य यंत्र से जुड़े हुए हैं? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज संतूर. Pandit Shivakaram Sharma is a renowned Indian classical music and a composer known for popularizing the Santur Hindustani classical music. His contribution helped the establish the Santur is a significant instrument in the Indian classical music. When did the British India Company annex the Kingdom of Awadh? ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने अवध साम्राज्य पर कब कब्ज किया था? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज इन 1856. The British East India Company was annexed the Kingdom of Awadh in February 1856 under the pretext of the misgovernance through the doctrine of the lapse was commonly used for the annexation in the Awadh's case. The British cited the Mahal administration as the reason for the takeover, leading the whispered discontent that contributed to the revolt of 1857. टू विच रिलीजन इज द एम्पर अशोका रिलेटेड? सम्राट अशोक किस धर्म से संबंधित थे? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज बुद्धिज्म, बौद्ध धर्म से संबंधित है। Emperor Ashoka initially followed the Hinduism, but after the Kalinga War, he embraced Buddhism and became the patron of the religion. He promoted the Dhamma, righteousness, built suptas and Buddhist missionaries to the different parts of the world. His inscription and edicts reflect his dedication to spreading Buddhist principle of the peace and non-violence. To which musical instrument is Pandit Ravi Shankar related? Pandit Ravi Shankar किस संगीत वाद्य यंत्र से संबंधित है? The answer for this question is sitar. Pandit Ravi Shankar was a world-renowned sitar player and the composer. He played the crucial role in the popularizing Indian classical music globally, collaborating with the Western musical liking George Harrison of the Beatles. His contribution to the Indian sonic classical music earned his multiple awards, including Bharat Ratna, India's highest civil honor. Who is the current Chief Minister of the Uttar Pradesh? उत्तर प्रदेश के वर्तमान मुख्यमंत्री कौन है? The answer for this question is योगी आदित्यनाथ. Thank you for watching. These are the key answer analysis of the RPF Constable 2025 examination.